A favorite invention and recent one that exercise enthusiasts love are furniture sliders. So you know those large discs that you put underneath really heavy things and push? Well, they work because that's what they're supposed to do, but they're also really good in ab work. So we're going to be using 4 furniture sliders, one for each hand, one for each knee. And you're going to be pressing forward, pressing back, pressing forward, pressing back. So it's a slider extender. You can also try it on your feet. So on your toes, put one on each and press back. So either knees or toes, it doesn't matter. Very effective, the extender.